Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download the Aerial Views Screensaver app on Android TV. So let's go. We'll go to Google, and for this tutorial, we're looking for Aerial Views. I need to type on your search bar Aerial Views app. So ensure you type it correctly. Okay, now click on the search bar and you find this app here, Aerial Views Screensaver. This is the one you're looking for. Ensure you do not mix it up with other apps which are also named Aerial. So click on this link from play.google.com. That's what you want, and now you can have the install button. So if you click on install, this should install in a couple of seconds. Just be patient and wait. Immediately the download is complete, it will install automatically, and then you can find the app in your app library, or you can just click on the open button on the screen to get the app in. So if you found that insightful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.